According to real estate experts in Michigan, mortgage denial rates for Black homebuyers is exceeding 20%.
13 on your side's Alexis Dumergine has more on what's driving these disparities and how prospective buyers can improve their chances. Alexis?
Well, guys, real estate experts tell me it often comes down to credit and debit to income ratios, but they say there's also another factor at play: discrimination that's still happening in 2025.
Goal is not to just get in a home and stay there for a couple months, but is to get in there to stay and to build generational wealth.
That's Jamisa Adams, a local real estate expert speaking about the bigger picture for Black homebuyers. Matt Schultz with Lending Trees says that many face an uphill battle, especially in Michigan cities like Grand Rapids and Detroit, where denial rates exceed 20%.
It's interesting because it creates a real challenge, because for so many Americans, owning a home is maybe the best path that you have towards building that wealth.
For many prospective buyers, the homeownership journey starts with a tough but necessary conversation: understanding your credit.
Some people are real intrusive, real personal and private about their credit, but that is the first step, making sure that you're credit worthy, because without that, you're not going to be able to buy a home, unless, of course, you're fortunate enough to say that I have cash, right? But the average person who's buying their first home does not have that.
But the obstacles go beyond credit scores. Adams says discrimination still impacts loan approvals and home appraisals.
Fortunately, that's the world we're living in. We're trying to make that change, and everybody should be treated equally with no discrimination, no disparities. That should not exist in 2025, but unfortunately it does, and we're trying to close that gap.
Matt Schultz says denials usually come down to two things: credit and debit. Improving those can increase your chances.
If your credit isn't good enough, it's going to be really hard to get approved for to get a home, no matter who you are, no matter where you live. But also your debt to income ratio.
Both say knowledge and preparation are vital for Black homebuyers trying to overcome these hurdles and build lasting wealth through homeownership.
Financial experts recommend getting your credit in order before house hunting and understanding your debt to income ratio, as well as prepping and learning as much as possible. In the newsroom, Alexis Dumergine, 13 on your side.